fuck you. Yeah, it's gonna get dark in here. Darker than most Colorado theaters. So everybody have a good Christmas? You get what you want? World peace? Anybody? No? No? Goodwill toward men? Personally, I fucking hate the holidays. You know? I guess I'm just tired of having to explain to all these bright-eyed sheeple that when they go on, well, you hate the holidays? I love the holidays. I love the holidays. You're supposed to be so nice during the holidays. You're supposed to be so nice during the holidays. You're supposed to be so nice during the... And that's my fucking problem. Because if you need a holiday to remind you to be a nice person, you might want to reevaluate a few things. Yeah, it's been a while. I haven't been here. Been going through a few things. Just had a kid 3 weeks ago. It's cool. It's kind of cool. A little anticlimactic, though, I gotta say. All they do is eat, shit, sleep, rinse, repeat. At least with the dog, you get a little bit more fucking return. But I'm having fun. I am. I like it a lot. And I'm looking forward to a lot of things, you know. And I think that I'm looking forward to what a lot of first-time dads look forward to when they have a kid is getting my dick wet again. The amount of masturbation that I have done in these last 6 fucking months, my dick feels like a fucking rape victim. It's fun. It's fun. It's really I mean, and now the only thing I really have to worry about is, you know, making sure she doesn't die. She doesn't talk during the fucking movie. And gear her up to be a lesbian. Yeah. What? I want a fucking gay in the family, okay? I think that it would give me a lot of leverage over these fucking idiots I have to argue with every now and then. Have you heard this new one? This guy comes out and talks about how gay sex is. There's a demon inside them. There's a demon in them, and that gay sex is a way that the devil can be born. Now, what is it about gay sex that fundamental Christians are so hard about?
Cuddling.
Yeah. I think I've got it figured out. And I ask that you stick with me to the end on this one, okay? I think it's the crucifix. Now, hear me out, okay? I mean, for instance, you're sitting there, staring up at this guy on these 2 long boards, blood and sweat dripping down his abs. He's looking down at you with these dark, piercing, blue bedroom eyes, and you're just looking up at him, waiting for his penance. I can tell I've lost a few of you. But I put it to you this. If you were more offended by that last bit than a man of God telling millions of people that gays are an abomination and that they're going to suffer eternally in the pits of hellfire, then I'm not the only asshole in the room.